Recent leaks have sparked discussions about OnePlus's upcoming compact flagship, which was initially rumored to be called the OnePlus 13 Mini. However, new reports suggest the device will be named the OnePlus 13T. This change aligns with OnePlus's existing naming conventions for its high-end models. The leak, shared by the well-known tipster Digital Chat Station, hints at a compact yet premium design that will cater to users looking for a powerful yet smaller smartphone. Additionally, the post subtly teased the device's elegant aesthetics, potentially making it one of the most visually appealing compact smartphones on the market. The design might take inspiration from the iPhone 16, featuring a minimalist and refined look. OnePlus has officially confirmed that it is introducing a new design language, and the OnePlus 13T could be the first device to showcase this aesthetic shift. Liu Haoran, chief design director at OnePlus, shared in an official statement that the company is focusing on a refreshed and modernized approach to smartphone design. While specific details remain scarce, the growing number of leaks suggests that an official announcement may be on the horizon. One notable feature is its 6.31-inch display, which places it between the larger 6.8-inch OnePlus 12 and the more compact 6.1-inch iPhone 16. What sets the OnePlus 13 apart is its massive 6,000mm battery, an impressive feat for a device of this size. This battery is made possible through the use of next-generation ultra-slim silicon nano battery technology, which enhances capacity without increasing bulk. Powering the device is Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 Elite Chipset, ensuring top-tier performance for demanding applications, gaming, and multitasking. These upgrades position the OnePlus 13 as a powerful and efficient device, pushing the boundaries of what a compact flagship can achieve. A major design change is the introduction of a new action button, replacing OnePlus's iconic alert slider. While the alert slider has been a signature feature for years, OnePlus has reimagined it with a customizable button that offers greater functionality. Users will still be able to switch between sound profiles seamlessly, but the new button will provide additional customization options, making it more versatile and future-ready. In terms of camera capabilities, the 13 model is expected to feature a Sony IMX800 main sensor, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto shooter with 3 times optical zoom. This camera setup promises excellent photography and videography performance, keeping up with the competition in the flagship category. The OnePlus 13 is set to launch between May and June, with pricing expected to start at around $799.